What is it? I don't know, maybe he thinks I think somebody's reporting his guy. The guy got shit for 20 years when he did. Exactly.
We could go through his background right quick. Let him also find out the house.
He used to hang out with me. He would be in my room. He used to stay with me.
He told me he thinks my father was not. He came to the gate and he tried to make friends with him.
I know he did.
I think he's next time to Marshall.
Very comfortable with that.
I know in the state of Texas that if you're in danger, you can have it in your business. I was under the street or in the bus car. What's in the bus car? I don't know. I'm just saying. I had it in there. I didn't know what's in it. That was it.
He's going to explain to you, he's going to answer your questions. So if you realize that we are not out to get these gentlemen that you were in question. All right? Ask him whatever you'd like to ask him. Just take the kind of things. What questions do you have?
Well, I had my registered firearm. Today, they said they had a report, which false. I wasn't here. I was in Arlington. Me and my wife, we were going all around Arlington. I was going to finance cars and, at dealerships. I just talked about one thing that somebody made a report that I had done. Well, Omar over there, I know he knows I have a gun. Plus, those guys that were hanging with him earlier on the street, they told me something when I was driving by with my wife. I didn't say anything, so I just looked at them and I drove up. And his dad got deported for 10 years in prison now because he wants to come back to school. So either he thinks I did it, so they're retaliating on me. I don't know why I'm got a report. No, I think he was a part of it.
You have that right to believe that you can. Everybody, okay? In this particular situation, and you also have to back up because what happened in the previous call right there.
I'm a biker just like anybody else in this country in Texas. I try to be as best informed as I can.
What to your knowledge, what is the law say?
Well, I was reading, even today, I read up on this Texas gun laws and all that, and I was...
Did you just purchase it?
I purchased it a couple of months ago in Sweetwater, Texas, at those gun shows, in West Texas, gun shows. So, I just, I was really interested in guns. That's it.
Now, as far as carrying, what can you do? Are you aware of the law?
All I was aware that some of the penal codes that you can have it in your
only one
seat,
penal.
you can have it in your glove compartment, or you can have it in your seat. You can only use it in deadly force in Texas. This carry kind of extended law that says that.
For a business and you're transporting money to and from United Plaza,
or a home or car. It's a home or car business.
You're asking me, I'm trying to inform you, okay? Take it right up and say, well, I'm about to tell you right now, she's not permitted. Okay? There's only certain circumstances right there where you're allowed to take a handgun. Are you a concealed by handgun?
I still haven't got my license. I was going to go to school and take a class.
But right now you are not a
I do not have a car.
Now, for what reason? Any other reason that you would like to inform me of why you would be carrying a weapon?
Because we don't have a steady place.
I'm sorry?
I don't have a steady place. I don't know where to put it, and they know that.
Unfortunately, the law doesn't provide a clause in there that if you don't have a steady place, you can carry your weapons around with you.
They're valuable. I don't want to lose them.
I understand that. I don't create the law. It's just our job to enforce it. Unfortunately, at this point in time, there's no clause.
Amanda, you don't have to turn that off. Don't listen to my mother.
No, if he doesn't want it, I'm not telling her to turn it
She
off.
doesn't have to. You don't have to. Amanda, stand over there. Give it to her.
He doesn't want it
I don't
on.
care what you want. You don't have to.
Now he thinks that I... See, officer, that's what he thinks. That's why I didn't want to approach the officer because he thinks I'm the one. I didn't do it.
Fine, I'll put it in her.
He told me he did it. That's what he said.
You don't have a permanent residence in right now, man?
No.
No? Where are you from? You're from Sweetwater, though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're looking for a residence down here, though?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name, please?
Amanda.
Amanda what?
James.
Amanda James? How old are you, Amanda?
26.
Your date of birth, then?
Why are you
I'm
asking
asking
me?
because you're in the middle of all this, so I'm
It
asking.
doesn't matter. I'm not...
It matters because I'm asking you, okay? This is an investigation file, and if you want to
It's not an investigation under me.
No, you're part of this right now, okay? If you want to failure to identify, man, that's a separate charge, okay?
Well, I can get out of here. I don't need to be here.
That's your right. That's your right. But while you're right here, you're subject to investigation right now, okay? I will clearly inform you of the law right now. If you fail to identify yourself in this current investigation right now, you will be charged with failure to identify.
But what do I have to do with anything of
I'm
it?
just asking
It's
you
my
your date of
husband.
birth.
I'm with him, so...
I understand. You
y'all...
identified it. I'm asking you what your date of birth is. Okay?
For what?
That's all I'm asking you for.
For what? I'm
Because
not...
I am conducting this. I'm assisting in this investigation right now, okay? And you are right here, right in the middle of it, ma'am. Now, if you want to refuse right now, that is well within your rights. But I'm letting you know right now what the law says. You can and will be charged for failure to identify. I can't make myself any clearer. Okay? Now I'm going to ask you one more time, ma'am. What is your date of birth?
10/9/86.
Thank you very much.
For what? It's not even...
Get this one or two water?
Oh, not really. It's pretty breezy over there. They explained that you know, take my job, and that fireman said that they're going to take the case away.
What are they going to take his death for if it's not even no bulletin?
Well, he said he's going to try to do what he can to they're not taking it.
How long you folks in town?
It's been 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Okay. You looking for more permanent residents down here?
I was.
That's what I'm saying. Okay, that's what I'm saying. You looking to move down?
I was going to move here.
Who do you think got the problem with you across the street?
Oh, no,
Omar. I'm not familiar with Omar.
he's right across the street, so the Moderna's right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Gotta be those guys.
Had a problem with him before? Him with you?
Right. We don't talk, we don't like him. He's got the footage the other day, so he thinks he did it.
You don't work with what we're supposed to have. That's the naiveness of people, you know. They think that, you know, even if you pick up a phone and call like that, they don't move like that for people, you know. They don't move like that for us, sorry to say, you know. Just the way it is.
So is my gun going to be confiscated?
That's up to the officer in this investigation, okay? What I recommended to him is he check with the district attorney's office to make sure if you're within the guidelines or if you're not within the guidelines. That's why it's important to get the information from you, okay? Because there are certain guidelines. Because there are certain guidelines. There are certain guidelines, you know? Based on what he's got and based on what he's telling me, I recommended that he contact the district attorney's office, give him the information, and that we get the legal, okay, the legal point of view from him, okay?
They took me to jail just to your money. To me, took the kid. It's been cool to like, you know, stay on the phone with your mom. Okay. And, that's the big one.
What I'm going to do is do.
This is proof that I was 100% activated at work here.
I don't doubt you. I don't
Never called on me. I was staying here.
Hold on to these seconds, but you're right, that's a good start.
What do you want? They take you in. What do you want to do?
Still recording?
Yeah.
The county thing?
Yeah. Why would I do that to my own husband? I've been with him all day. And then when I say who I thought it was, she's like, oh, yeah, it could be that. She's like, I'm sorry. She's trying to blame me. Huh? She did it or Omar, one of them.
That's why I don't really find out when I'm if they arrest me, go.
One money.
But you need to get those other keys back, man. Yeah.
They didn't need all these fucking cops here.
Whoa.
Then I took my damn money.